Hey guys, it's Jenna. Welcome back to my kitchen. Working with minced beef again. If you missed my last video, we did a delightful minced beef and spaghetti with a lot of fresh herbs in it. Fantastic stuff. This time, we're going to be using some extra rice that I had on hand, basmati rice, and we're going to be making a Middle Eastern inspired rice with ground beef. Dishes. If you have extra rice on hand, basmati rice, even regular parboiled rice will work as well. If you have that on hand and you have yourself some ground beef or minced chicken or minced lamb, minced soya, it's a perfect way to utilize that extra rice and to create something fantastic. So this is the extra basmati rice that I have on hand. It was just there in the fridge, so I'm going to be using that. It's already cooked with some salt in it as well, so we're going to be mindful of that when we moving forward with the cooking part of it. I also have my minced beef here, and the spices I'm going to be using: salt, whole clove, ground spice, roasted jeera, paprika, black pepper. We're going to be cooking with the avocado oil. I'm going to be adding some raisins in there, grated ginger and garlic. If you have some ground cardamom, add that in as well. And also if you have some almonds, you can add them in there as well. So first thing we're doing is adding the avocado oil to our wok, of course. Once it's nice and hot, in goes the garlic and the ginger. And just give this a quick stir, just for a couple of seconds there until your kitchen starts smelling all nice. You're keeping your heat between low and medium. And then in goes your minced beef or minced chicken, whatever you're using. And it is not going to take long to cook. Minced meat does not take long at all to cook. So we're just going to stir this up there, cook this just for a few seconds. And then in goes the salt, in goes the clove, in goes the ground cinnamon, all the other spices, the roasted jeera, the paprika, the black pepper, the ground cardamom goes in there as well, and the raisins. So you're going to be stirring this up nicely there till that minced beef is cooked. Now if you have the nuts or the almonds, you can add them in here as well, or when it's almost finished. And then in goes that cooked rice. Stir that up there, guys, and yeah, that is a quick and easy way to utilize some extra cooked rice on hand. Make it into this delightful Middle Eastern inspired rice dish that we're seeing here. So if you have some fresh cilantro or fresh parsley, go right ahead, add that in as well for some extra garnish as well. Side whatever fresh herbs you have, add them in there as well. Once it's all finished, this is what it looks like. The raisins in there, the almonds would have been in there too if I had these flavored almonds, but it's all good. And this is your finished product. So if you're looking for some options to have with this, well, check this out. I did the sweet and sour eggplant for you all. Some chunky veg you could also find on my channel, and those Middle Eastern inspired spicy wings. So with all those flavors combined there, guys, this is a perfect meal for you guys. Get that little sort of Middle Eastern flavors in your mouth there that your taste buds will thank you for. And all of those dishes that I just mentioned, you guys can find them on my YouTube channel as well. So experiment, have some fun with it. Weekend is coming up. Make some Middle Eastern, Arabian style sort of meals. You can check out my tabbouleh recipe as well, and the hummus. So have fun in the kitchen, put in all my recipes to use. If you're looking for different ways to utilize your minced beef, check out the spaghetti and minced beef that I did before. I also have other dishes as well up on my channel, and of course this rice now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this super short, quick, delightful video. And yeah, try it out. Send me photos when you do try it out. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.